we are literally about to taste something that we have never seen. I have never seen in my life.
Eat digestion.
Eat digestion.
Of course.
I rather suffer constipation. Introduction first.
No, I said
welcome back to my channel.
Welcome
back to my channel. Apparently, I came out with my cousin today.
Hello.
We've eaten a lot. We've gone to a lot of places, and we are tired. We're literally tired of eating. But we still came to Junkyard, Abuja, and we didn't want to take anything much. So we checked the menu, blah blah blah, and we found something with
Greeksalad.
Salad. We wanted to take the normal salad, but they told us that it's finished. So we now choose the Greeksalad. So we are literally about to taste something that we have never seen. I have never seen in my life. Okay. How does it taste? Guys, we're here with Victor also. Okay, he said it's a little bit salty. I haven't tried it yet. Okay. Jesus. You guys. Okay, let's go.
I think this is cheese actually.
Why are they eating it like it's so nice?
It's actually nice.
It's actually nice. Okay, guys, time for me to taste this baby.
Like it's nice.
It's nice to you, Jesus. FYI guys, I'll stick to my orange juice. It's healthy and it's sweet and satisfying at the same time. Don't try this at home. But what is it? Is it like this? Final chance, guys. I'm tasting just before coming back. So you don't follow the taste. You just eat it, guys. He said if you want to follow the taste, he's going to finish it. Just cucumber and cabbage. Just cucumber and cabbage, guys. Avoid this thing. Let me show them. Avoid this. It looks like meat, but my God, it's not.
This is very healthy.
Yes.
You eat it twice a week.
Twice a week. Thrice. Then what will happen?
So it should help. Eat digestion.
Eat digestion.
Of course.
I rather suffer constipation.
They end up with hemorrhoids and they have to cut your anus open.
That cannot go online. But
they will. Hemorrhoids is serious. So you have to advocate for healthy eating.
well, I've been eating unhealthy my whole life.
You're in trouble. We have to address it. Currently I'm tired, but I have to eat healthy because I must die healthy.